The Crown Sydney Hotel Resort project is a new 72-storey, 275-metre tall waterfront development currently under construction in the Barangaroo South Precinct in Sydney, which is set to become a globally recognised architectural icon. The building has been architecturally designed by Wilkinson Eyre Architects from the UK in conjunction with local architect Bates Smart and interior design by Meyer Davis, New York. The twisting sculptural form of the building design has resulted in a fully glazed building envelope which comprises up to 7,000 irregular modular panels, 90% of which are uniquely shaped to follow the organic form of the tower. Highlight Aluminium, in partnership with Core Facade Delivery Management, has been contracted to manage detailed engineering design and the installation of the hotel and tower facade. Supply of the complex unitized curtain wall systems is being detailed, engineered and manufactured by a highly skilled Korean team, Iljin Unisco, from their assembly facility in Seoul. The incredibly complex shape and twisting nature of the building structure has presented significant technical challenges for the supply and installation teams. Parts of the building are required to be manufactured as flat panels and then cold bent during the installation process to provide the smooth geometry required to achieve the intended design. The design teams from both Core and Iljin have undertaken an extensive process of design, engineering and physical testing to validate the final solution. The typical installation process commences with the fixing brackets that are surveyed and installed to the structural slab edge to provide support for each individual facade panel. Accuracy and three-dimensional tolerance is critical to ensure the alignment and fit of the irregularly shaped panels. Each glazed facade panel is double glazed, incorporating laminated glass to ensure a high level of acoustic performance, and is framed using structural grade extruded aluminium. The frame is finished using a high-performance paint system to suit the aggressive marine environment of Sydney Harbour. An average facade panel weighs almost half a ton, and panels are packed and shipped in purpose-designed steel stillages. Once delivered to site, panels are unpacked and transported to the installation location of the specific deck of the structure using a walkie-reach stacker and purpose-made trolleys. The installation crew then communicates with the team on the level directly above, as well as the crane operator, to lower the lifting hook and attach the panel ready for installation. The facade panel is lifted by the crane and simultaneously fed out of the building with an assisting walkie reach and launching table, then rotated and lowered into its final position. The newly installed panel is coupled into the adjacent panel to engage the weather and air seals. Once panel installation is complete, the designed movement joint between panels is cleaned and prepared for installation of gutter splices and site-applied silicone seals that are a critical step to provide the overall waterproofing system. When the facade is weatherproof, internal secondary works commence. Insulation that is required to achieve acoustic and fire performance between floors is compressed between the slab edge and the facade. An aluminium angle is then installed to support a continuous flashing, which in turn provides structural support for the finished floor. Advanced planning and preparation by our specialized skilled team in close collaboration with Lendlease has provided a range of safe and efficient access systems to the exterior face to allow the installation of the facade for each complex situation. These systems provide Highlight with a flexible working space with constant edge protection in all locations. Of particular note, the access systems to the main superstructure concrete core, a custom-designed access platform and screen system that has been developed between Highlight, Workrite Edge Protection Systems, and Core, which is installed to the structure's western-facing shear walls. The access platform is being built progressively section by section to provide both safe access and a permanent secondary structure that supports the facade. All sections have edge protection handrails pre-installed prior to launch. Once the access platform is completed, this allows safe access to an exterior screen system that provides accessibility for an area of the shear wall that was too narrow to access using the same access platform system. The screen is accessed using a custom-made drawbridge deck integrated with the external screen system. This combination of unique access systems allows bracket and panel installation in front of the void area at the start of each level. Another custom access system has been developed to allow access to concrete the secondary core using a mobile access deck. Once positioned, the deck provides safe access to externally set the fixing brackets, install panels, and finish off the level.